Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something. I pass by this stuff every time I go to 99 Ranch, and I'm like, didn't I buy this? And I never, go rummaging through the ramen hampers until yesterday. And I was like, oh, I did already buy it. I knew I did. This is Wong house artificial beef, artificial house beef. You know, you got a cow in the house. Well, this is house beef. So I had one of these. I think it was a pork one, and it was exceptionally good. So it's time for the house beef. And if you're in a beef house, oh, hi, Mimi. We're in a beef house. There's the beef. Do you have the beef, Mimi? This one has interesting directions as well. It mentions adding water 80% of the container. So I'm guessing that's this inside line here. Not only that, this thing's kind of banged up. So I guess we'll see how it goes. I need the scissors. This is the one I'm going to let you try, Mimi, and I won't put anything spicy on it. Okay? Mimi was unhappy. She ended up with a tasty curry one yesterday, but she kept saying, too spicy. That smells good. She said, too spicy. She said it repeatedly, and while it was cute, it was sad too, because she wanted to eat some noodles. So we'll see. Just dropped in a dry powder sachet. You know, this Christmas season, don't forget your old buddy Hans, the Ramen Raider. Go and, I don't know, turn off your ad blocker when you go to my website, and if you see a little thing for an Amazon link on the website, click on it and then go buy your Amazon stuff. You don't have to buy the thing that's in the post, but that helps me out tremendously. I don't know. You don't have to. Really, you don't, but this time of year, I'm really into Christmas, except for one aspect of it. And that is the fact that Christmas brings with it lack of funds. It's like, I am not a wealthy man. You might say, how is that possible? You review instant noodles. You have to be rich. I know, but I would think that of someone who said that they reviewed instant noodles too, that they must be a billionaire, but no. Not me. That's okay. So this, and then here's the dry bits and pieces sachet. I'm really bummed too, because it was like, I was at the store, and I'm like, I need beef, I think. Turns out I did. I don't have any beef. I'm beefless. But I was like, I need beef, but if I already have beef, I'm going to kick myself. Especially since I don't have like a ton of money right now. So it's either buy beef or buy, it says 80%. Maybe that's like right there. That's what I'm going to guess. It's either buy beef or buy stocking stuffers. So what did I do? I bought a couple stocking stuffers. A couple things for the wife. Something for the boy. So, yeah, I figured that was the right thing to do. They weren't big or nothing, but yeah. Oh, 5 minutes, that's right. Not 38. So it's now going to go for 5 minutes. And I guess there's a, what do you call it? A tree lighting on the 7th. And this is the 3rd? Yeah. 'Tis the 3rd. And, gosh, let's see. So that makes it Tuesday. Yesterday, I did over 40,000 steps, so almost 20 miles. And today, I've done just almost 30,000 steps, which is almost 15 miles. So, I don't know. I might end up walking down to the store after yammering on the phone with my buddy Stumpy. And, if I do the yammering with Stumpy and do the steps then, and then my wife comes home, and then I go out to the store to get beef, and when I to get home, I'll have totally done at least 45,000 steps. So. My legs are kind of sore right now, but I've found, I'm just trying to make sure every time I do anything, I just like slam down some protein. So far, so good. I'm proteinated. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, there's 3 minutes left. I'm gonna pause it for a second. I'll be right back. Right? Oh, that was quick. Okay, so, yeah. Alright, so it should be done. Let's see. I saw something on Amazon I'm hoping I get for Christmas. It's actually exceedingly cheap, and I think it will work with something I already have. So they've got it's like a articulated arm, which basically means, like, think of a swing arm lamp that you can raise and lower and all that. That's called an articulated arm. And it has a camera mount on the end of it, and then it's got a C-clamp too. But it looks like the C-clamp, the end of the arm is like a little rod, and it slides into it. I've got an articulated arm, really nice Luxo lamp that's huge. And it's like, I really don't have anything to clamp anything onto out here. But the base for that lamp works on the same principle as the thing sliding into the C-clamp. So I'm hoping, and the base for that lamp is a big heavy weighted thing with a total, like, it's a felt bottom. So I could have, like, this thing that comes over, you know, like an arm. It would be over the stove. It wouldn't touch the stove. There'd be no stupid suction cup. It could sit right here. That could be like the most wonderful, wonderful thing ever. So that's what I'm hoping. So, we'll see. That's something I want bad. It's funny because there's like all these little things, and I'm like, hey, this would be really cool. I could totally use this and that. And it's like, I can never find them anywhere. It's like, am I the only one who has any need for this strange item? And it's, yeah, it'll either be like, I can't find it anywhere, or it'll be like exorbitantly expensive for such a simple little thing. It's always one or the other. Okay, this bowl is like cantankerous, so I'm just gonna dump it into this pot. Wish me luck here, folks. Oh, that went semi-well. Come on. Alright. And paper towel. Paper towel, yo. We're gonna use the paper towel. Ooh. Remember that cheesy song "Easy Lover" by Phil Collins and Philip Bailey? The meeting of the Phils. They playing that at the grocery store today. It cracks me up every time I hear it. There's like a certain set of 80s songs that I think of like these are all supposed to be heard when you're shopping for clothes at like a department store. It's kind of like that. Alright, let's give this a try. These noodles look fantastic. Wilderness. Come on! This may become a swearing episode. I'm not so sure. Broth. Yeah, I'm not so sure about that one. It is a little spicy. It's house beef, and it has this kind of flavor that makes me think of coffee, and it's like a slight bitterness that just doesn't seem to be right. Which bums me out because I really expected more from this one. The pork one, like I said, was sensational. Pretty sure it was pork. Could have been chicken, but I'm gonna guess it was pork. Yes, Mimi. You'll have to wait for your Hello Kitty-isms. Man, this stuff just does not want to cooperate. Oh. If it ain't gonna cooperate, it ain't gonna cooperate, you know what I'm saying? Egg? No. No egg. That would just be wrong. Oh, somebody's knocking on the door. Here we go. Somebody knocking on the door? Okay, well, let's go at the door. Okay, hold on. Not a fun package. I was hoping it was noodles. What? It's not noodles. Can I help you? It's detergent. It's not fun. These are like Tide Pods. They're not a food. They're not a treat. They're not a fun. Where's the remote? I can put on some Hello Kitty for you. I can put on some Hello Kitty for you, baby. No Hello Kitty? Well, what do you want? One of this? Okay. That one? That one? There you go, Chips. So some guy from Amazon knocked on the door and left a box of Tide Pods, basically. It was a really good deal, my wife says. That's cool. But not the excitement that was portrayed by my daughter. But that's okay. Not everything is jump up and down and go crazy. And anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Bye.